Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming essentials: a Google account with security enabled, plus a clear campaign objective. Once signed into Skillshop, enroll in the Google Ads Learning Path and pick the Ads Fundamentals module to build core concepts fast. Make sure to prepare simple inputs: objective, budget range, audience, and initial keywords, because you'll use them in practice exercises. This first step speeds comprehension. You're learning by doing rather than reading theory only, and you'll see immediate relevance to real campaigns. Now you progress into the complex middle. Study bidding strategies, targeting layers, ad formats, and how quality score influences cost. This explains why choices change results. Once done with each lesson, jump into Skillshop Labs and build a search campaign draft. Test 2-3 ad variations to see impact on relevance. Make sure to take every quiz and read feedback. Repeat modules where scores fall below your target. Practicing scripts and metrics helps cement material and prepares you for the certification exam. To finish, take the Skillshop certification exam when you consistently score well on practice quizzes. Treat the exam as a performance check, not a memorization test. Once certified, deploy concepts in a live or demo account and monitor performance for 1 to 2 weeks, making adjustments to bids and creative. If things go wrong, low impressions or conversions, first review targeting, bids, and ad relevance, then ensure budgets aren't exhausted. With steady iteration, you'll convert learning into measurable campaign improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.